The French auto car maker Citroën has taken the wheels of upcoming car Citroën C3. This will be the first car from Citroën to be produced in India and South America and replace the current generation Citroën C3 crossover overseas. Since the Citroën C5 Aircross that was launched earlier this year has earned considerable popularity, let's look into what the Citroën C3 is bringing. Let's talk about Citroën C3 exteriors. The CEO of Citroën, Vincent Kobe, has referred to the model as hatchback with a twist. The front fascia looks like Citroën C5 Aircross, in which a sleek double slat grille that incorporates the Citroën logo links with split headlamps and beautifully merged into LED DRLs. The overall design of the car is upright with black cladding running all around the car, along with the bonnet. The roof is also flat and tapered towards the rear, along with black pillars and roof rails. Colored roof and accents of the front bumper are giving the SUV a unique touch. The side profile reflects the sleek design accompanied with dual-tone diamond-cut alloy wheels. The rear has rectangular tail lamps and an upright tailgate that support the Citroën logo. The Citroën C3 will share its CMP Common Modular Platform with the sub-4 meter SUVs from Jeep, as the car will be manufactured locally with more than 90% of localization. It will be as affordable as it possible can. About Citroën C3 interiors, the cabin is delightfully unique. A bright color panel goes the length of the dashboard with some dimple impression and complex looking AC vents. A 10-inch touchscreen infotainment system supporting Android Auto and Apple CarPlay takes the center position with an integrated smartphone holder beside the screen, while a stumpy 3-spoke steering and a digital instrument cluster are signaling the prominence. Internally adjustable side mirrors, manual AC control, and single-piece front seat with mounted headrest reflect how this magnificence is kept affordable. The buttons for the rear power window are positioned in the center console between the front seats. Two large headrests of the rear seat imply it's been the design for two occupants. Let's talk about Citroën C3 powertrain. Although the powertrain of Citroën C3 hasn't been revealed, it is anticipated to be powered by a 1.2-liter turbocharged petrol engine paired with 5-speed manual and 7-speed dual-clutch automatic. A 1.5-liter diesel engine could also be offered. Now talk about Citroën C3 competitors. The Citroën C3 will hit the market in the first half of 2022 and expected to take on the likes of Maruti Suzuki Ignis, Tata Punch, Maruti Suzuki Baleno and many more. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, subscribe and hit the bell icon.